Ever seen letters like X or Y in math and wondered what they mean? These aren't just random letters. They're part of a powerful mathematical language called algebra. And guess what? It's much easier and more intuitive than you might think, opening up a whole new way to understand numbers and solve problems. Algebra is essentially a secret code that uses letters to represent numbers. We use it to solve puzzles where a number is missing, and that letter, which we call a variable, stands in for the unknown value. Think of it as a placeholder for a number we need to discover. This concept is fundamental to unlocking many mathematical mysteries. In algebra, we write equations to show that two things are perfectly equal, just like a balanced scale. For example, consider the equation x plus 3 equals 7. Our goal is to find the value of x. We can solve this step by step. If we subtract 3 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced, we isolate x and find that x equals 4. This process is how we crack the equation and reveal the hidden number. Algebra isn't just about letters and numbers on a page. It's a practical tool that helps us spot patterns, make accurate predictions, and solve a wide array of real-world problems. Whether you're calculating the speed needed to win a race, figuring out the total cost of items at the grocery store, or even designing the trajectory for a rocket launch, algebra provides the framework to understand and master these challenges. It's a skill that empowers you to analyze and interpret the world around you. Join BrightCHAMPS and discover how learning algebra can be both fun and incredibly easy. We offer engaging programs designed to build your confidence and skills. Don't miss out on this opportunity to excel in math. Book your free demo class now at brightchamps.com and start your journey to mastering algebra today.